So to make the piñata, you're gonna need some glue, or you could use Podge Podge, some scissors, a container to put your glue in, a balloon, a paintbrush, you don't get some glue on your fingers, some tape, lots and lots of tissue paper, and some cardstock or some poster paper, it's fine. So first you're gonna start off with the balloon and you're gonna want to blow it up. So I want it about this size roughly, and you're just gonna tie it up like that. Now I'm gonna put it aside, and you're gonna take your magazine and you're gonna want to rip up shreds like these, not too big or not too small. So once you have a good amount of magazine ripped up, you're gonna want to take your glue in your container and just pour it in there. You're gonna want to start the way you like, it's to your preference, and just grab glue with your paintbrush. So just want to rub the glue with a nice layer and just stick it on there, and then go over it a bit on top so it stays. And you're gonna do it all over the balloon like this, going over it and just spreading the glue. So once you're finished with the first layer, you're gonna grab some yarn and you're gonna wrap it on the balloon like so. And you're gonna want to hang this outside. So I'm just gonna leave it outside until it dries. So it's been roughly about 2 hours since I left it out in the sun, and now it's dry, but as you can see it's not sturdy enough. So we're gonna do another layer. So you have your glue and some more shredded pieces of magazine. So I've now finished the second layer, and I'm gonna take it outside. So you want to do that and leave it there until it's semi-dry. So we're gonna take it outside now. So right now I'm doing the third layer, and you just want to keep on repeating the same process until the balloon is sturdy enough. So to make the cones, you're going to need the cardstock. This one's the 30 by 12 inch, and I'm gonna cut it in half. And just split this. One sheet of paper gives you 4 cones. So from here, I'm gonna take it again and cut it, fold it in half. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one and have your tape ready. Grab the edge, the top right edge and the left bottom edge, and just bring it like this and sort of just ape. And there you have it, your cone. And you're gonna do this to the same one. Grab the top right edge and the left bottom edge. And you want them roughly about the same size. And there you have it, your cones. And you're going to repeat this to make 6 cones. Your cones should end up looking like this. So once you've finished with all of your layers, like it's sturdy enough, it sounds like this, you're going to want to pop the balloon. Let all the air come out. And in the meantime, so you're gonna grab your cones, and what you're gonna do is you're going to make lines and you're gonna fold them. And if it's a bit too long, you can always just cut them like so. And you're going to do the same thing with the other 5. You're gonna cut around the cone. So your cone should look like this. We're gonna apply glue around here. So before we glue on the cones, I suggest you make 2 holes around here to hang the piñata. So to put the cones on, we're gonna put, since we have 2, we're gonna put 2 on the sides left and right, across from each other over here, and 1 on top and 1 on the bottom. So you want to grab your cone, apply glue on the edges that we cut, and then when we glue it on top, and we apply some more glue on top. So it should look something like this. Now you can glue the other side. When you're going to glue the top cone on, you want to make sure that the yarn will go through it. So as you can see here, it's a small hole. So I'm just going to cut a small bit of it. And like so. So with your tissue paper, you're gonna grab 1 sheet and you're gonna open it up, and I'm just gonna let it hang over them. And what you're gonna do is grab the edge and fold it like 1 inch or so, and you're gonna do the same fold again, over and over. So once you're finished, you're gonna grab your scissors and you're going to cut approximately like this much, like 2 inches, and you're gonna do this till you end, like this. Now you're gonna take one. You're gonna make approximately like 4 cuts, and you don't want to go all the way through because that's not going to help. And or how many ever they fit. So I made 4 cuts, as you can see. And just leave it on the side. You don't want to unfold it because then it's not gonna work. So don't go all the way up. Just so you're gonna want to put these aside and repeat the same exact step to the other tissue paper. So to apply the tissue paper on the piñata, once you've done this, you're gonna want to take your glue and just cover the cone with glue. Like so. And just place it on the edge, sort of like that, as you can see, and just wrap it around the cone. And just add some more glue. And grab another tissue paper. And I suggest you do 2 pieces of tissue paper from the same color, so that way you have a nice color to it, so it doesn't seem a bit odd. And so that's the pink one. And I'm gonna add more glue. You want to start where you left off, so right here, and just go about. So this is how one of your cones should look like. So once you've finished wrapping tissue paper around the cones, you're gonna have something like this, and fill this in with some more tissue paper. So to fill up the open spaces in the piñata, you're gonna grab some tissue paper and just place it on top of one another, like so. And what you're going to do now is you have to place them very carefully. I'm going to rotate it, but you're going to fold it about 4 inches, and then you're going to repeat the same step. Now with your scissors, you're going to cut about your hand, the size of your hand, so we get squares from it. And we're going to cut these. And also don't forget the top one. So you're going to end up with a bunch of squares that look like this. Now to fill them in, you're going to take a square and you're going to add glue on the center, and you're going to grab another one and place it vertically like so, like this, and you're going to pinch it from the bottom and just fold it like a triangle. So you have this, and you're going to grab more glue and place it on to here, and just apply more glue. And you're going to repeat this same step to all of them.